use my time searching on this product and I find it not useful and then I need to return it, I actually feel bad on it. Very beautiful, but yeah, it's going to fly back to Amazon. This video is about the iPhone cover review. Short story is actually I bought this one first. So this one is super beautiful and I actually like it a lot when I'm receiving it. I was like doing an open box and was talking about how to install it, and I was like liking it because to not need to install the screen protector yourself, definitely one of the things that I think is help. The only thing that I don't like it is like when you open it, it does not come with the like this screen protector, it does not come with anything. That means it's also very fingerprint attractive one. Like actually when you're touching it, the fingerprint just on top of it. If you're getting this one, the easier way to open it is like going to this corner, which is the camera corner, squeeze it in like this way, just break it out, and then you get this out. After you get this one out, other places is easier. I will just show you how I install it so that like say any one of you getting this one, first you're using, after you're getting the screen protector out, this is your phone, and then you just like the camera and the camera side together and just. So first thing, install the screen protector side on top of it. So next, you're getting the cover, and then you just like slot it in. I will say the same thing, slot the top part first, and then the bottom. Honestly speaking, I quite like it's like my arrow cup. I quite like the whole thing, like the surface, it's very smooth and then like very beautiful, and come with the screen protector, like you don't need to worry about doing the screen protector yourself and everything. That's all is very nice. The bad part, I don't think a lot of people have the same problem, because I saw online a lot of people was talking it's not protection enough or like that kind of thing, but I think the thickness is already quite good. A lot of people was talking about how not sensitive after you putting it on, but for me that is not a problem. I personally don't see any problem. Like when I stopping it, I feel it's sensitive enough. My problem for this one is actually the talking area. I personally think it's because it's very thick. So when I try to talk on it, if I try this one even, but it's still not very effective. It's just not clear when I'm talking on phone. With this casing, I tried a few times, like this is why I managed to remove and put it on so easy, because I actually try a few times to open and put it back, open and put it back, test a few times, and for sure it's a casing issue that after I put on the casing, the talking area just not sensitive enough. Very beautiful, but yeah, it's going to fly back to Amazon. So after I can't have the beautiful casing anymore, I actually went back to, like my old phone, I also using something like this. It's a wallet kind. This one basically does not have a lot of, I would say does not have a lot of like, how to say, open box or something. It's just basic wallet handphone cover. So it came with like this. Actually, this surface is not as good as my iPad one. I can feel like, it feels like that kind, like after a while, like if you have water or something, it will start to peel off kind. It does come with this. I don't know what this one called. So, but I normally don't use it, so I'm going to just like put it aside. And it have this pocket for the. I personally think don't put in very important like credit card or something. I actually dropped my phone once, and then if you lost your phone, lost your credit card, lost your cash, everything, it's pretty harmful. And then the installation also super easy. Just press it in and ta-da, done. All the button is like easy to reach, so it's like much more easy to carry. I would say it's a very simple and just a wallet kind of like iPhone cover. So if anyone like this kind, you can consider this one too. That's all for today's video, and hopefully to see you soon. So soon! In Canada, return some stuff. It's very common here. If you buy something and especially thing like this, you can, as in like another person can use it, they are accepting return like, depend on some places, it's like 7 days, 14 days. Some places it's like 30 days and some is like 45 days for now because of the pandemic. if you like this video, you may be liking my another video. So feel free to click on them or like subscribe to my channel to get more content like this. And see you next time. So soon.